This is Maya and Daddy and Milo, and we're all waiting for the birds to come and eat from the edge because they're out there, our parrots. And we're waiting to see if they're going to eat our food that we put on the ledge. So Maya is here with Milo, waiting patiently. If the birds don't know we're waiting here. We secretly put on the frog sound to lure them.
What do you say? Bird, bird, bird? What kind of bird are they, Maya? Parrots? Where's parrots?
Our parrots are in those trees.
Where's the parrots? Where'd they go? Where's the parrots? Where?
We're waiting for our parrots. Birds!
They're out there.
They'll come for the apple. We're going to feed them apples, right, Maya? And watermelon. Watermelon. There's apples and watermelon and raisins.
There, isn't it? On the other side of the hall.
Yeah. There's our apples and watermelon and raisins. And our birds. Okay. Bye-bye. We'll wait. We'll wait patiently. Maya's a 1.5 years old. Yeah.
We'll keep our eyes peeled, okay? If we see any, we'll tell you.